Hi, this is again another tutorial on how to construct or create a categorical frequency distribution table with more than one qualitative variables such as this. So in this set of variables, there are 5 qualitative variables or categorical variables such as age, civil status, sex, educational attainment, and school division, where the data are coded in numbers. For the age, if we are going to look at the legend, it is classified into 2 categories. The number 1 represents participants whose age are below 40 years old, and the number or the value 2 represents participants whose age are 40 years old and above. Now for the civil status, there are also 2 categories. 1 represents a single participants, and 2 represents married participants. And then this is the legend for the sex, for the legend for the educational attainment, for the school division, and yes, so these are. Now we can also create the profile of the participants. The participants here are teachers who are employed in the school divisions, Bago City, La Carlota, and Negros Occidental. So let's start. Again, you click add-ins, go to PHDOT, and then choose data preparation. Then click stack data. Again, do not unclick this. You have to check this box because you are going to include all the labels of these qualitative variables. Then we are going to highlight all the data: age, civil status, sex, educational attainment, and school divisions under this column. Oops. Then we click OK and wait for the Excel to process. So now we have 2 columns, where the first column are the labels of the qualitative variables, and in the second columns are the values. Now to put this into a categorical frequency distribution table, we click PHDOT again, go to descriptive statistics, and choose two-way tables and charts. Now click for the row variable cell range, highlight the first column under group, then for the column variable cell range, highlight the second column under value. Then click OK. So this is now the profile of the respondents, that when the respondents or the participants are grouped according to sex, there are 30 who are male, and there are 66 who are female out of 96 total participants. Now if we want to express the values in percent, you go to this pivot table box and then drag the value under the summation of values under this box, and then change the value field settings to count. Then show the values as percentage of row total. So we have now the corresponding percentage, such that for sex, there are 30 is equivalent to 31.25% of the total participants in the study. For age, so we have those below 40 years old and those above 40 years old. There are 11 and 85. For the civil status, there are also 11 who are single. There are 85 who are married. Okay, so this is it.